students who are drawing for the giveaways that we had for the financial aid open house. The first drawing will be for the $500 gift. So if you can just Naomi Bustamante. Okay. Naomi Bustamante. Okay. We're gonna draw for another $500.
James Turner.
Okay. Now we're gonna draw for a stadium seat.
Kylie Rodriguez.
Kylie Rodriguez. Yes. Okay, another stadium seat.
I can go.
Mm-hmm.
You got Yasani Martinez.
Okay.
Alright. The last one.
Okay. Now we're gonna do 4 beanie and water bottle combos.
Alex Wade.
Okay. Woo.
Okay.
Oh.
Deja Bearfield.
Woo.
Okay.
Shelby Grove. Rachel Rodriguez.
Okay.
Okay, and now we're doing 4 lunchbox and cutlery sets.
Aaron Ford.
Okay.
Jose Chavez.
Attire.
Oh,
I don't want to pronounce somebody's name wrong because I feel bad when people pronounce my name wrong.
we got. I'ma just call you Frederick. Emfo.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Veronica Esperanza.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you,
And just
ladies.
a disclaimer, thank you for the young ladies from Wharton High School. but we will be verifying that the students are actually students that won.
Yes.
Thank y'all.
Thank you, ladies.
My name is Sierra Bonner, and I want to major as a labor and delivery nurse.
Hi, my name is Janisha Sanders, and I want to major in biology.
My name is Sierra Ferris, and I want to major in labor and delivery nursing as well.
Okay. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you.